Hey guys, this is Simran. Welcome back to my channel all about NST. And as you have read the title, today I'm going to show you the products which I finally managed to finish, and also going to give you the quick mini review of these products as I've already reviewed them in brief on my Instagram. You can check that out on my Instagram handle. I will insert somewhere here. And also, if you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first product is this Clean and Clear Morning Energy Aqua Splash Face Wash Oil Free Won't Clog Pores with claims. And I don't like this product at all because it has some kind of ingredient in it which makes me sneeze for hours, and I have literally managed to finish it, but I'm not going to repurchase it at all. It might suit you, so skincare is very subjective and depends on person to person, depends on skin to skin, it totally depends on your skin. So I won't give my verdict on how it reacts on your skin, but it didn't suit me, so I'm not going to repurchase it at all. Though it is very much affordable. It just retails for 175 rupees and it's like a great deal, but I don't like this one. Okay, so the second product have to be the other variant of Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash. This one is my favorite. Like, I don't like that one, but I like this one. I love this one. I literally repurchase this product every time it gets over, and this is, I don't know how many times I have purchased because this suits my skin very well, but that one actually don't suit me at all, so I'm going to repurchase this one. And if you have dry skin, it's a good face wash. It suits me. Again, skincare is very subjective, so it might suit or not suit you, but it suits me, and it retails for 155 rupees, lesser than that. I guess the size is different. No, but the size is same too. I don't know why there is a lot of difference in price, like 150 ml both, and this one is for 175 and this one is for 155. I don't know why, but I'm going to repurchase this over and over again and again. Okay, so coming to the toner, I have finished this Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner for all skin types, alcohol free, and I am not a very big fan of this product because it doesn't suit me again, and it gives me that burning sensation on my face whenever I used to apply it. Like, other toners doesn't give me that sensation. I don't know if it is normal or not, but I'm not going to repurchase it. Though I have finally managed to finish this whole product. You can see it retails for 95 rupees, which is a great deal, but I'm not going to buy it again, sorry. Okay, so talking about the face mist, I have this Good Vibes Jasmine Hydrating Face Mist, and it retails for 150 rupees. I am going to repurchase it over and over again and again because this has become my favorite mist till now. It is very good, though right now I am going to order another one from the same range because I want to try other products as well. But otherwise, this is a holy grail product, and I would recommend you to buy this product because this is so good for dry skin people, and it actually hydrates my skin a lot. And I would give this product a big thumbs up, and you can purchase this totally because it is super affordable as well. Also, I have, I guess so, reviewed it in brief on my Instagram. Again, you can check that out. Coming to moisturizer, I have literally created a hype about this product on my Instagram, and I posted about this, and so many people were actually interested in trying this product on because this is not from a very famous brand, but this is from Bombay Shaving Company face moisturizer. It has fragrance in it, which I'm not a very big fan of, but otherwise the whole product is a holy grail product. This moisturizes your skin like that, like you cannot even feel a little bit of dryness on your face. Like, I love this product, and it's very affordable as well. The price is not mentioned over here, but I have got it for around 150 to 200 rupees, I guess so. But this is a very nice product, and I love this product. Okay, so next product is a sample size product. This is the Good Vibes Havana Mango hydrating gel. So I have got this for free when I ordered something for, I guess, 1000 or something. I don't know what offer was going on at that time, and I finished this whole. You can check this, like, I'm not even lying. No product is coming out, and I love this product, but I will never buy the full size package of this product because this is not that great. And I would like to try other hydrating gels kind of a thing from other brands maybe, but not this one because this has not done wonders to my skin, and this is just normal basic hydrating gel. Though if I will be in need of some hydrating gel which is basic kind of a thing, I will think about this, but I'm not gonna repurchase this product because I didn't like it that much. And I know because I have used it on daily basis. I used all of the products religiously in my skincare routine, and that's the reason I'm giving my verdict that well. And Nah, I'm not going to buy full size of this product. Okay, so the next product, Nykaa avocado cold pressed oil. This is quite expensive. This is for 350 rupees if I'm not wrong. I will put the price somewhere over here. I have reviewed this product on my Instagram as well, and this is a good product. I'm going to repurchase this product, and I would rather repurchase some other variant from the product because I want to try more products out, but this is very good. It has worked for my pigmentation very well. I loved this oil. Till the time I've used this oil, my skin was like, wow. I'm sorry for the overacting, but this is the nice product. I'm going to repurchase this product. Okay, so the next product, Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. You know what? I have two of them here. Like, see, these are the same one. So this is my repurchase. Like this, both of these are empty. I don't know why I have kept both of them, but just to show you, I guess, ki these two products are holy grail, and I'm going to repurchase it. Like, I've already placed an order for this because I cannot live without this product. This is that good. I love this product, and I will rave about it for 100 times more because this has changed my makeup game. Like, why there is a consistent glow in your face, so this is the reason behind that. I always use this product before my makeup, and I will keep repurchasing it. So go and get this product. Okay, so the last product is this Good Vibes Silver Leaves Serum. I don't know the name. I will put the picture here or here, but this product is so good. Like, I received this much of quantity with some product when I, as a sample size product with some products when I ordered it, and I'm going to repurchase the full size of this product because this product has worked well for me, and I think before makeup this product is a holy grail. I don't know how many times I have said holy grail in this whole video. If you're counting, just comment down below. Okay, so I am going to repurchase the full size of this product because this product is so good. And you can, if you can see, I don't know if it is visible on camera or not, but if you can see that silver dots, this literally gets just into your skin and it makes your makeup look more shiny, more glowy, and it works as an illuminator as well. And if you're mixing it with the foundation, your foundation will look more glowy and so best. So I will recommend you this, and I'm going to buy the full size of this product for sure. So this was it. I have all these products with me which are emptied right now, but I'm going to either repurchase them or not going to purchase them at all in further future. And if you like this video, please do give a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below what product did you like, or what do you think about my verdict on this products, and share this video with all your friends, and subscribe to my channel if not done yet because this will motivate me a lot. Also press the bell button along with it to get notified whenever I am posting a new video. So I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys, and I love you all.